Hello guys, today I am going to teach you how to install Docker. Firstly, we need to check Docker is already installed our Ubuntu system or not. Then we can type Docker. I have already installed the Docker. If Docker is not installed in your PC, then use command sudo apt install docker.io and type. I have already installed, that's why it's here. Reading package list done. We can successfully install Docker version. Then after installation of Docker, then you check Docker is installed or not. For this we use Docker hyphen version. In that, yes, we have successfully installed Docker. The Docker version is 19.0.03.8. Then check Docker is active or not, enable or disable. Let's check. For this sudo apt sudo system ctl status docker. I have already enable the docker, but if in your system it show not enable, then we need to type only enable hyphen now, and after that you can check the status docker is running. Then we need to check docker is working with docker hub or not. For this we use sudo docker run hello world. Yeah. Let's check here. Latest unable to find image hello world latest locally in Linux package. He didn't get a docker image hello world. Then you go to the docker hub and pull the image from docker hub library. In that, let's check image is downloaded or not. Docker image. Docker image is sudo docker image. Let's check. 1 minute. Sudo docker images. Got permission denied while trying to connect docker images. We need to give sudo command for this docker images. Successfully we have installed docker and we successfully pull the hello world image. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe.